Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Drive to Webflow CMS image uploads step by step clearly. To connect Google Drive to Webflow for image uploads, start by ensuring that you have a Google Drive account. Open Google Drive and create a new folder for your Webflow images. Right-click on the folder and select Get Link. Change the link sharing settings to anyone with the link can view. Copy the link to your clipboard. Next, open your Webflow project. Navigate to the CMS Collections section. Select the collection where you want to upload images. Add a new field, choosing the image type. Label this field appropriately for easy identification. In the settings for the image field, you will find an option for Image Upload. Open a new browser tab and navigate to Integromat or Make. Sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Create a new scenario and select Google Drive as the first module. Choose Watch Files as the action. Connect your Google Drive account and select the folder you created earlier. Next, add a second module, choosing Webflow. Select the Create Item action. Connect your Webflow account and choose the project and collection you set up. Map the fields from Google Drive to the corresponding fields in your Webflow CMS. Make sure to link the image from Google Drive to the image field in Webflow. Save your scenario and run it. Now, upload an image to your Google Drive folder. Once the image is uploaded, the integration should automatically create a new CMS item in Webflow. Check your Webflow CMS to confirm that the image appears correctly. Repeat the upload process as needed to add more images to your Webflow site using Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.